Alright, so it is currently 4 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep. Insomnia is a B. Anyways, figured I'd get on and just make a little amends to my last video when it comes to wiring headlights for old 86 Ford. I assumed it was color matching because that's normally how it goes. But no, it's called, the way these plugs are set up, hang on. The way these plugs are set up is the blue wire, at least for this set, the blue wire goes to the top, which is the ground. The black wire is the low beam, and the red wire is high beam. Now with these older trucks, then you have green black wire, like it's green with a black line on it. Here, let me see if I can show you. Maybe it's just green. Anyways, green wire looks yellow on camera, but it's green. That's the high beam. Black wire is, of course, ground. And then the red wire has a little black line going down it, and that's low beam. So what you want to do, instead of color matching, you want to put red to black, black to blue, and green to red. I'm having to use the last little bit of my heat shrink butt connectors to do this because I noticed I was going down and I was blinding everyone, even though indicator on the dash said I was running low beam, and so I switched, and so it said high beam, but I wasn't blinding everyone anymore. So it's like, probably ought to make amends. But yeah. Also, for those wondering, yes, I was put on disability when I was 18 because I was in and out of the Utah State Mental Hospital from the time I was 14 till the time I was 16. And they diagnosed me with, at the time it was Asperger's, then it turned into high functioning autism. Now it's just autism. Unfortunately, I didn't get the smart kind of autism. I just got the find one obsession and roll with it for the rest of your life type. But yeah. And then I've been hit by 3 cars, and so my entire right side's shutting down very slowly, but still doing it. And I have valves, the blood vessel valves, whatever you want to call them, are in my legs are dying because I've had multiple rounds for varicose veins, and they've started bruising and they've started hurting more. I've fallen out of the bed of a truck with a 100-pound steel cage landing on top of me, which has caused a herniated disc in my back. I'm just barely getting treatment for, maybe getting treatment for, in the form of a spinal cord stimulator. Have really bad memory. I can't even remember what I was gonna say. But yeah. And then because I know how to work on cars, because kind of inherited it from my grandpa, who was a master mechanic for the better part of his life, I've been driven into a hole by my family, who's refused to step up and actually pay their fair share and pay their due diligence. But yeah, that's a brief history of my life. If you want to say I'm ungrateful or, hey, you're up at 4, you should be working, trust me, I wish I could. But no one will hire me, because being in and out of the state hospital over the course of 6-7 years, I didn't get a high school diploma. I can't even get my GED because I never had the proper education. I mean, sure, I may have the reading level of a high school senior, but my math skills are on par with a elementary school kid. Just like social studies and all the other crap that they force on people. But yeah, that is the story of my life. Well, a little bit.